Hello, techies. Welcome and welcome back to kaetalkstech. I'm Kay. Let's talk tech. Today I'm talking about recruiter scams again because they tried to get me twice in the same day. So the first email I got says the title is Exciting Opportunity for Me, and it names my full name. It says, your contact details were obtained from a job-related page. We're expanding our team and seeking applicants for a list of open positions at our company. All information as well as the job descriptions are provided with the PDF file attached. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to write us back. Now, that went to my professional Gmail account. If I open that PDF, any scripts attached to it, Gmail will take it off, and my virus software will handle it too, I hope. But I'm looking at who this is, and I'm looking at it suspiciously because of the other email I got. So I'll tell you about that in a second. But this one comes from Spencer Perez, Spencer1949.perez.1949@gmail.com. Okay. If you're representing a company that's hiring, why are you not using your professional email address, right? And I know there are some recruiters that sometimes use their Gmail address, but that has to stop, okay? Because in this world where we are constantly inundated with scams, we have to be very diligent and not open emails or attachments in emails that are suspect. And if you're not using your business domain when you contact me, I'm not going to answer. So I'm going to get rid of that one. The other one is the one that's really interesting. Let's see if I can find it real quick. Okay. This one came an hour before the other one. Now, I don't look at my email first thing in the morning sometimes, so I just happen to be looking at it later in the day, so I saw them both together in my inbox. So I had gotten an email from somebody called, her name is TheyTriedIt2x, okay? So let's just look at her email address. TheyTriedIt2x@cinemax.net. Okay. So she says, she sent me an email that says, Product Manager Recruitment Notice. How are you doing today? I hope this email finds you well. Your profile was suggested via Indeed job board for the position with the following details. Job position, freelance project manager. Job location, remote, work from home. Job type, contract, project-based. Schedule type, flexible schedule. If you wish to know more about the job and commence the hiring process, please forward a short cover letter indicating interest along with your resume to Pamela Maxwell at her contact email, PamelaMaxwell00@gmail.net. Now, that in and of itself, and at the bottom it's got her signature, full name, recruitment assistant. It's got it in Spanish. It's got some, disclaimers at the bottom of the email in Spanish and in English. Something about personal data law and so forth. So that looked, reasonable to me. Okay. And then I have this note from Pamela Maxwell. Thanks for your swift response. From October 22nd is when I responded to the first one. It's now October 28th, but thanks for your swift response. Here are the job details. I have a small-scale business which I want to grow into a medium, large-scale business now located in Tennessee, and the company is focused on importing and exporting of agriculture products such as wheat, walnuts, and almonds. So in order for me to expand online and upscale my business, I would be needing your services for management of my digitization plan, where I hope to build a website and also a custom CRM ERP software for it. This is a remote contract job. Kindly fill in the form below to commence your onboarding process. That's where they went wrong. and then they added the form. Once you have submitted the form, kindly notify me here so we can proceed to the next step. Onboard me to what? It's my own stubbornness that saved me in this moment. What are you onboarding me to? I haven't spoken to you. I haven't had an interview. We haven't discussed money. So what are you onboarding me to? So then I began to look a little deeper. I did not open the form, but apparently it's stored on form.jotform.com. I'm not even going to look at that, because while Cinemex might be a real company, and this person could actually be real, but she looks like spam. It came from her Gmail address. No signature, no LinkedIn, no nothing. So what are you onboarding me to? Yeah, I don't think so. Not today. Not today, scammer. Not today. So I wanted to make you guys aware of that so you can understand that the email scams and the fake recruiter scams are getting more sophisticated. So if they don't email you from their business address, or at least have a LinkedIn profile, then don't correspond with them. I was going to go to her LinkedIn profile just to check and see who this is and what she's about, so forth and so on, but it's not there. So that's the end of that. All right, guys, that's all I wanted to talk to you about today. Share this video, because we can't just, be scammed. Another reason this went as far as it did is because there are some people, when they recruit, they have somebody else do the recruiting for them, and then they send you, to their main person, right? So, and usually that's Indian firms. So some of their recruitment is happening offshore. So they hire offshore recruiters to help them, and they find the candidates, and then they tell you, don't respond to me, respond to this person. Okay? And, I've seen that happen before. I've been involved with that before. It wasn't an issue. But now the scammers have attached themselves to that. So I'm not going to be doing that anymore, unless I can really verify who you are and where you come from, reasonably verify, right? Because people can make up anything. But when that type of correspondence has come to me in the past, it's been through LinkedIn. So, when I looked up the person's LinkedIn, they had a lot of experience, they had a lot of connections, so I had some confidence as to who they are. I looked at their company to, see if it was a legit company, if I could see their picture at the company. But yeah, we're gonna have to be really, really vigilant, because if you've ever had people messing with your accounts or your credit, it's a pain in the neck. Did you know that you can put your credit on hold for a year? There's a government website. Oh, what is the name of that website? Just Google "place my credit on hold," and it'll tell you where to go. You go to a government website, you fill out a form, and then it'll keep your credit on hold. So if you want to use new credit or open new credit, then you have to, they'll interview you to make sure that it's really you. Otherwise, nobody can do anything. And that lasts for a whole year. Okay, that's my public service announcement for today, guys. Like the video, follow the channel, share the video, and come back again when we'll continue to talk tech. Bye now.